What's up, y'all? Welcome to Poseidon Analysis, where every new video watch is another video made. So, ESPN dropped this video yesterday, this interview of Steph Curry yesterday, and we finna just get into this, man, because I don't know, the title kind of like, all I know is the title said, blurry vision, contacts, and Steph Curry. So that got me interested, like, what the... This is the greatest shooter of all time. Like, don't tell me otherwise. Let's get into this, man.
Can you describe the condition that was going on with your eye disease?
It's not a disease.
Then I was misled. Well, good. Then this is why we need to hear about it.
For 10 years I've been battling, you know. It's just a tough situation every day waking up.
Well, what has been going on with your eyes?
Fading. I have blurry vision, like millions of people across the country in terms of needing corrective lenses to see sharper. I just had a situation where you get used to what it looks like and you adjust. Then somebody asks you, have you ever thought about contact lenses? And I'm like, no. So maybe you should try them. I'm like, all right. And I try them and they work. So that's pretty much what it is.
Is it like night and day? I mean, is it just a little bit better?
I bet you anybody goes to the...
So if I heard right, he just said he's had blurry vision for years, and he just recently decided to give contacts or something to improve his vision. He just recently decided to give that a try. The greatest shooter of all time has been shooting with less than average vision this whole time. That's what you're telling me? So if you just starting to give contacts or whatever a try, how are you going to be shooting now? Bro, I can't be watching this right now. This is Steph Curry, my guy.
Optometrist? Is that the correct word? What's the difference between optometrist and ophthalmologist? Anybody know? Can somebody find that answer for me?
Couple letters?
Yeah.
A couple letters, yeah.
Couple letters.
Inside examination there.
When you go have that experience and you see what the world's like with 20/20 vision, it's pretty crazy, but I loved the assumption or the joke that I was technically blind before I took contact, so that's phenomenal.
Do you have any idea what
Yeah, but that's for me.
what's the most striking difference about what you can see now? No, really. I mean, what's the
I'm trying not to laugh. I'm trying not to laugh.
Bro, I've never seen Stephen Curry laugh so much in one interview, like in my life. Every NBA player is always so serious, like, and even Stephen, he's always serious. Like, I've never seen him laugh, like, in an interview, like, ever. This is history right now.
It's just clear and sharper, like the camera lens when you put it in focus. Sometimes when it's like just a degree off, you can still see what the image is, but it's not as sharp. Depth perception, all that type of stuff, but yeah.
Are you telling us you could always see the basketball?
It's unbelievable, right? Breaking news.
It's got just a very subtle to get the contacts.
Yeah, I still need the mirror though. I'm not that advanced yet.
In other words, it's just a very subtle thing.
Yeah, it's noticeable, but it's If I played without him, it wouldn't be as good, but I'd be all right. I'd be able to see my teammates and be able to throw them the ball. Play basketball.
Just to keep this going, that means you can see into the future about what's going to happen with the Warriors.
Oh, that's good. Brandon's got
It's pretty good. It's pretty good.
Does this adjust your season goals in terms of percentages?
Yeah, maybe next year I'll talk to think about it. It's pretty funny.
Was he accepted? Was switching that people would notice every once in a while? Direct. Was that what was happening?
Yeah, that was it. Again, it's an adjustment to over time. My sight getting worse. But like I said, you still can go out and function and do what you need to do. It's just not as clear. But it was more so just a lack of awareness of what like.
Bro, I'm gonna have to start watching the Warriors very closely now. This dude, he got good vision now, or better vision, I should say. Like, I might have to start watching their games very, very closely. Steph Curry. Gotta have to keep my eyes on you in the future games.
Clear it was. Like my normal was my normal. I didn't think about anything that could be different. So it just took me a while to get there.
Given your history with LeBron, how strange is it to see one of these teams out of the playoffs and him sitting for the rest of the season?
I mean, it's different, but was it 9 straight finals he went to? 8. So 8, right? Yeah, it's just. I'm sure it's a different experience for him, for better, for worse, and obviously the rest of the league continues to go. A lot of talent, a lot of great storylines, people chasing championships, but he's had an amazing run, and pretty sure he'll be able to reset for next year and regroup, but it's just different.
How do you think Luke's handled everything this season? The Lakers?
I mean, I haven't talked to him as much, but just from a distance and watching.
Bruh, maybe I'm gonna have to get my hearing checked, because I can't hear any questions that these interviewers are asking. I'm only assuming what their question is based off of the answer he's giving. Can y'all hear these questions that these people are asking him? I can't, bro. Bruh.
All the injuries they've had, and the expectations coming in with obviously LeBron James joining your team, it goes through the roof. But everything's a process. This league is tough, man. It's hard to win basketball games no matter who you have on your team. And I think the way that he's kept his presence on the sidelines from when I watch the games and watch his body language on the side. The way that they might not be winning games right now, but the team is playing hard. I'm sure they appreciate his consistency. So honestly, wish the best for him in terms of the future, because who knows what will happen. But he's a great coach. Anybody would be lucky to have him as leading your team.
What do you think he did to win you guys? That he was with you guys, also doing tag.
This is authentic. He didn't try to put on just because he was wearing a suit and tie, with the title of whatever, interim head coach while coach is out or whatever. He was himself. He's a player. He rubbed elbows and shoulders with a lot of guys that are still in the league, and has been around the game for a long time. So there's nothing pretentious about I'm just a switch up. I'm a head coach now, so I gotta talk a certain way, handle myself a certain way. He was himself, and we appreciate that. He'd come in to shoot around with an Oakland A's hat, literally every day, t-shirt, sweatpants, but he knew what he was talking about, and he did his homework. So that was our experience, and had it been anything different, I'm sure we probably would have rolled our eyes a little bit, he's drinking the head coaching Kool-Aid, but he was just himself.
Last question. What's your perspective on the head coaching life? You've seen them, you've seen so many guys down the line, and Luke got his first taste of it. Players, as they get on the back end of their careers, end up chewing on that idea of would that ever be for me? How do you
lot of different ways to go about it. Guys ending their careers, guys starting their careers, first-time head coaches, ex-players that are coaches. I've seen a lot of different examples of it. Even when my dad was coaching, I saw George Karl in his prime, Lenny Wilkins at the end of his career, Bruce Carter towards the end of his career. Like, everybody has a certain presence about them, a certain way that they communicate, a certain temperament. But the best ones are...
Bruh, did y'all hear that Russell Westbrook, you know, the game he played, I think it was the last game he played, he got a 20-20, I think that's what they call it. At least 20 points, at least 20 assists, at least 20 rebounds. Did y'all hear that he was only the second I did not know that, bro. I already knew that I already knew of that, like, that achievement. I already knew, like, the 20-20, that was a particular achievement, you know. I didn't know there was only one person in history to ever do it until Russell Westbrook did it a few days ago. Like, bruh, that's crazy. The second, how is only one person did it before, bro? Is it really that hard to pull off a 20-20? I mean, obviously, but like, damn, not even Michael did it. Not even Michael Jordan, Kobe, like LeBron. Like, is it really that hard? That's crazy. That's crazy. It's not the, I don't think it's the points. 20 is nothing. I think it's the assists. Well, 20 is something, but I mean, at the same time, no. I think it's the assists and the rebounds. The assists and the rebounds, that's the hard part. That's the hardest part. Because think about it. You got over 5. It's you and your other teammates. Your 4 other teammates. In 4 quarters. Those rebounds are gonna have to be like divvied up, you know? It's definitely the rebounds and assists that are the hardest ones when it comes to the 20-20. I wonder which one is more difficult though. Rebounds, the 20 rebounds or 20 assists. That's something. That's crazy.
Able to just connect with the players the best and be able to tell them the truth in a respectful manner where you feel protected as a player, knowing your coach has your best interest, even if the answer is something you don't like. So, there's no like set playbook for it. You have to be consistent. You have to be authentic and honest. I think that's what the best coaches do the best. So, Coach Kerr's an example of that. Mark Jackson. Oh Lord, Keith Smart. Sorry. And Nelly. So like, just in terms of how different all 4 of those guys are, you can pick positives and negatives from everybody, all of them. But they do it their own way. And again, the ones that connect with the players the best and are honest and truthful from the start have the best shot of being successful.
That's crazy, man. Steph Curry been shooting blind this whole time. That's insane. Anyway, though, that's it for this one, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. My name is Terrence, a.k.a. Poseidon, a.k.a. Poseidon Analysis. And I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe.